Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1937 Corona Silent vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Absolutely beautiful. It's got about as glossy as it comes, black. You can see your reflection in it. Up top is the adjustable paper guide. This helps you guide the page in straight. I'm going to line that up with the edge of the platen, which is the main roller that feeds the paper. And the margins are located behind. We're going to load this first. This is the paper bell that sits on top. It's got 3 adjustable rollers and these paper fingers too to hold the page down. And I'm just going to set the 2 paper fingers on the edges, and then we're going to set the margins in between those. So as close as we can get in between those without going over. Otherwise you can get stuck on them. And this is the paper support arms that flip up from the back. If you get too close to them, then the vibrator can get stuck on it, and then you have uneven characters. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch forward. It skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line and switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that all the way up. It prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. Gorgeous typing machine. Really nice typewriter all the way around for being so old. Very impressed. The print looks really good. So I would say it's almost in excellent condition. It's just a very classic typewriter. I really like it. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. We're going to put these down, and I already switched the color back down to black. Shift on each side, and it's got a floating shift. Shift lock on the left. Floating shift is just a really smooth shift. Feels really good. Tab on the left side. Tabs are set manually back here. You just pull out one of these little tabs and put it anywhere on this rack, and there's a scale on there to tell you exactly what space you're on, and then you just hit the tab button and it stops at each one of those. Very smooth. The whole thing is very smooth operation. Backspace on the right side of the keyboard, smooth. Margin release underneath that. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. If you hit that margin release button, it will allow you to go all the way to the end or until you get stuck on that paper finger there. Open the hood, all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling clockwise to the right. If you want to switch that direction, there's a switch right above the tab here. Flip that up, it'll pull counterclockwise to the left. Flip it down, it'll pull clockwise to the right. That's the direction we want it to go. Your touch control's right here. The farther down or towards the front of the machine, the less tension there is when you hit the keys. Farther up, there's more tension. You do have to hit the keys harder, but they respond faster. So depending on your type style is where you want to set that. Get comfortable with it and test it out. Behind the knob is the carriage release. Super smooth. This is my favorite classic typewriter here. It just feels so classic. Can't replicate that. And it's very smooth too compared to other the standard and the other typewriters in this model era. And if you pull out this knob, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it in, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.